So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket and a brand new video generation model called as Seedance 2.5. The new version of Seedance is live now, and surprisingly, as you can see, it can generate 30 seconds videos, 4K, no take, no stitching. So that's the best part. The previous limitation video generation model was they can go up to 5, 10 or at max 15 seconds, but Seedance 2.5 supports 30-second video generation. That is crazy. And now I think the new era of movie generation using AI is quite soon. So I'm testing it out on a new tool called Seedance 2.5.tools. You can test out the tool in the comment section and the description below. I've already pasted that. For now, I'll be testing out Seedance 2.5 on multiple different prompts, and let's see how it operates, what output it gives us. So let's get started. So the first prompt giving it is an action hero going through bomb blast and meeting the heroine. I'm going with 480 pixel only and 8 seconds video, but this can be stretched up to 30 seconds also. So here you can see that this is the model I'm doing, and you can also do inspire too. Let's get started with the first video now. Generating your video. As you can see, the speed is also quite fast on the platform. As we are talking, looks like within a couple of minutes, we should have our video ready as well. I really want to see how Seedance 2.5 performs because Minimax H3 is creating a lot of hype around. So I want to test out whether Seedance 2.5 is at par with the model or Minimax H3 takes the crown. But right now, given the benchmarks, given the society, Seedance 2.5 looks to be the best ever video generation model, which can generate videos up to 4K, which is quite interesting. So let's wait on the other side of the generation. Once the generation is complete, I'll be showing you the results what we got. So yeah, here you can see that the video is generated. Let's play it. Let's see what results it has got for us. Almost realistic. This looks crazingly good. I think this is coming out of a movie. Nothing can beat this. I think Seedance 2.5 looks originally good. And I think Minimax H3 is also not beat it. Crazy work done. Let's try out another prompt now. So what shall we try out next? So let me try out a 30-second video now, and then in the end we will also take a reference video. So let's get started. Describe the video. So first of all, a boy dancing with sharks. So a small one. I will try to let's keep it 480 only, but we'll increase the length to 30 seconds. I want to see how long the videos can be generated. Let's hit enter and see on the other side. This will take some while, I would say, because I think our previous video took about 2 to 3 minutes, but the quality of Seedance 2.5 looks crazingly good. I think it was, no one can say that that was an AI generated video. It was completely looking shot on a movie camera. Let's see what this particular prompt generate for us. See you on the other side. So here you can see that the video for 30 seconds is generated now. Let's see. The boy is dancing. It's 30 seconds long. So it's one of the only models that can generate videos as long as 30 seconds.
In the silence of the deep, a dance unfolds. A boy and a giant moving as one. It's a connection beyond words. A harmony of two worlds.
Pretty good output, I would say. It looks amazingly good. So now we're jumping on to the third example where you try to edit an existing video. So this is the same video that I generated for the boy dancing in the ocean, and I'll say replace the boy with a girl with a ball. So let's get started. Let's see how much time it takes. So as you can see, Seedance 2.5 is the real video generation model. Looks killer, and the way it is generating video is looking quite realistic. I couldn't see any single AI element that can say, okay, the video is AI generated. So do try out it on Seedance 2.5 tools. The link is in the comment section below. The website is quite fast, as you can see on my screen. As you're talking, about 20% of video generation is already done. So not just video generation, video editing, reference video, last frame and first frame, everything is getting covered in this particular tool, Seedance 25 tools. So what are you waiting for to try it out? See you on the next part where this video is getting generated, and I'll show you the last results so that you can judge yourself how good Seedance is. So here is the final video generated. As you can see, the ball is floating. The ball has replaced the boy. So yes, Seedance looks crazingly good. Do try it out on Seedance 25.tools. The link is in the comment section below. Hope to see you soon. Thank you so much.